I just received this giant box from Second & Charles. And on this channel, I've opened up some mystery boxes from Second & Charles, and they were comic book mystery boxes. But this time, I got an email that said they had a limited supply of Funko Pop mystery boxes. Now with the comic book mystery boxes, I guess I'd say I've been somewhat pleased, but there was nothing spectacular in there, so I've got pretty low expectations for what's inside this box. Now, Second & Charles has an awesome supply and selection of Funko Pops in their retail stores, but the prices on their Funko Pops are usually on the higher side, except in the clearance area. And in the clearance area, they have some pretty decent deals, and I'm wondering if that's what's inside this box. A bunch of clearance ones that didn't sell, and they're just getting rid of them that way. But I guess there's only one way to find out. This box is just too big to get in the full frame of this camera, so I'm just going to shove it to the back of this desk here and open these things up one at a time and see what we get. So, without any further ado, let's unveil the mystery of the Funko Pops. Hey everybody, it's Chris from Family Geekery. Today we're going to be pulling some Funko Pops out of this box here. A mystery box from Second & Charles, and there's supposed to be 25 Funko Pops in here. I've cut the tape open, but I haven't peeked inside yet, so we're going to pull these out one at a time, and I'll put them on here, get as many as I can before I have to move them off the desk, and we'll just keep on going. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and reach in this box here. So we got a bunch of paper on top for packaging. A bunch of paper on top for packaging. And some more. And let's see if I can reach the first pop. And wow, these are individually wrapped like this. So I wonder if they're still boxed or if they're open. Yes, they are still boxed. So here is Tala Durth from Star Wars. Not familiar with that character. Oh, from the show Obi-Wan Kenobi. Okay, I'll watch that show. What am I going to do with all these little boxes? Let's grab the next one. Get rid of all this paper, because it's loud. Next up, and sure enough, these are all individually boxed. I guess that keeps them nice and protected. And we've got Mass Effect Andromeda, Liam Costa. Alright, let's grab another one. And it looks like there might have been, price sticker on there at some point. And maybe some other sticker down here. So it's nice if they are not all stickered up at least. The next one is Kalon Rockin from Star Wars. This looks like it might also be from Obi-Wan Kenobi. Yep. And all these boxes are going to become an issue here in a second. The next one is, oh nice, our first Marvel. So this is Aisha. I think that's how you pronounce her name, from Miss Marvel. So let's push them down and keep on going. Next one is a stewardess from Pan Am. That's kind of cool. Next up, we've got Sarah from Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness. Pretty cool. So far we've got some Star Wars, some Funko, and a Pan Am stewardess. Next up, oh cool, Abomination from She-Hulk. Next up, we got Red Dagger from Miss Marvel. Next box, we got, I knew this was going to happen eventually. I've seen their Eternals on the clearance rack a lot, and this is Sprite from the Eternals. And we are running out of room, so I'm going to throw these back in the box real quick, and then we'll keep on opening. Alright, so I pulled the remaining boxes out here so we can open them up a little bit quicker. And it looks like I misremembered the quantity. Looks like we're getting 15. So let's keep on opening. Here we've got Bram Stoker. So, famous horror film writer, Bram Stoker. That's pretty cool. Next up, well, I just experienced a power outage, so sorry for any hiccups I can't edit out. But in the meantime, while I was sitting there without any power, I at least still have my phone, and I looked up my email to see this here. This was the email that I got regarding this offer, and it says each box is guaranteed to contain at least one of the 3 pops shown. So we got 2 different Spider-Mans, and then the Bram Stoker. So I guess this is the one that they said I was going to get. So there it is. So it looks like I've got 5 more to open up. So let's not dilly-dally anymore. Let's open up the next one. And this one is, well, it's a Spider-Man. Isn't that awesome? So this is from Amazing Spider-Man 2. So that's good. Nothing wrong with a good old Spider-Man pop. So let's grab the next one here. These empty boxes are piling up. We've got another Miss Marvel. This one is Najima, however you pronounce that. So I'm getting quite the collection of Miss Marvels. And like I said, I'm guessing that there is a decent percentage of these were probably the clearance item ones or ones that didn't sell. And speaking of Miss Marvel, I think we've already got this one. So here's our first double, and this is Aisha again. 2 more boxes to go. Let's see how many more Miss Marvels we can get. Oh, here we go. Not bad. Amazon exclusive Spider-Man Santa Claus hat. So I think that's the other one that was listed in the email. So let's come on and finish up strong. Let's see what's in this last one here. And it is Disney's Artemis Fowl Holly short. So I didn't ever see that movie, so I'm not sure who that is. But at least it's not another Miss Marvel. So there's our 15 Funko Pops from the mystery box. Let me go ahead and get this big box out of the way. I'll line all these up so we can get one last shot of all of them together, and I'll be right back. So here is the final lineup. All 15. We've got 4 Miss Marvels, including the doubles of Aisha. We've got a Doctor Strange character there of Sarah. We've got 1 Eternals, which I was surprised we didn't get more of, because I see those a lot in clearance bins. We got Abomination from She-Hulk. Liam Costa from Mass Effect Andromeda. We got 2 Star Wars from the Obi-Wan show. Holly Short from Artemis Fowl. The Stewardess from Pan Am. And then we've got the 3 that they said, these are actually the 3 that they said in the email that we would get one of the following 3, and we got all 3 of them. So a Spider-Man, an Amazing Spider-Man 2 version, and a Bram Stoker. So let me know down in the comments below what you think about this poll. Do you think it was worth it? Is this something that you would do? I'm pretty happy with the Spider-Mans, nothing wrong with that, but I'm not sure if I would do another mystery box from them with Funko Pops. It just seems as expected that they're throwing in a couple decent ones, and then the rest are all ones that obviously did not sell. The good news is that they're all in good condition. They were definitely packed well, and other than 1 duplicate, the rest were all unique. So I think that's going to wrap it up for this one. Like I said, let me know in the comments below what you think about this. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. I appreciate that. Check out the rest of the channel. You can see some other mystery box openings from 2nd and Charles. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do that too. I appreciate that. And I thank you as always for watching. And until next time, peace out and geek out.